Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I have my IPSY Glam Bag Plus for the month of January. If you guys want to know what I got in my bag, then keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so I am going to be doing 3 videos today back to back because today is January 27th and I want to make sure I do all my January boxes in the month of January. For some reason, the last couple of months, it's been to the nitty gritty of me getting down to my last boxes before the month ends. So I'm going to do the IPSY Glam Bag Plus. I'm going to do my Allure right after, and then I'm going to do my Look Fantastic box. So, stay tuned for those. I'm going to film them all in one day and bang them out and get them out. Alrighty, but you guys didn't come here for those boxes. You came for the IPSY Glam Bag Plus. So, we're going to dig in and see what's in here. Alrighty, so we have another cheesy bag from IPSY. I love you, IPSY, but these bags, just do away with the bags again. No one is here for the, I can promise you, no one is here for the bags. Beside the fact that, like, we get a bag for every subscription and we have, like, 100 bags if you subscribe for the whole year. Like, no one needs this many bags. So once in a while, we'll take it, but I'm just saying. I'm sure a lot of people could agree with me. But that's just my opinion. Don't come for me. Alrighty, so let's see what we have in here. We have a card that says, you're invited to experience Glam Bag X. So I did subscribe for the IPSY Glam Bag X. I didn't get it for this month, so I guess next month is when I'm going to get it. If you look, I'm going to go on my phone. It says, you signed up for Glam Bag X. Stay tuned for more info on how to go extra. For those of you guys who don't know, the Glam Bag Ultimate, the IPSY Ultimate is going to be no more. They're going to have something called Glam Bag X. It says it's going to be 8 full-size products. You get to choose 3, and it's worth $428. That's almost a $500 box every single time. That's insane. That's insane. But this is not every single month. I want to say I think it's like quarterly, if I'm right. So Glam Bag X will replace your Glam Bag Plus next month. Also, this will replace my Glam Bag Plus next month. Interesting. So it's kind of, I guess, like BoxyCharm, where they replace your base box with the Luxe box. So I guess this is gonna replace our, oh, I didn't know that. I did not know that. See, you learn something new every day. Alrighty, let's see what I got in here. So I already know one thing that I already have. I already own this palette, so I will be giving this away. I will be doing a contest when I hit 1,000 subscribers. I do have a contest that's currently going. If you guys want to enter that contest, it's in my video that I did for Beautylish, which was a Jeffree Star XL Beautylish box. The contest is still going. It ends January 31st. So if you guys want to enter, watch that video to see what you guys got to do to enter. And then when I hit 1,000 subscribers, somebody will be getting this amongst a huge array of makeup, skincare, hair care, everything. But I'm going to add this since I already have this already. Let me see if I can find it for you guys. Alrighty, guys. So this is the one that I own. This is the one that I just got. Let me show you guys what the palette looks like. I loved a color that's right here. I didn't hit pan on it. It actually broke. It dropped and that broke. So technically, I probably should keep this because I really love that color in there, but I'm still going to give it away anyway. So I don't have a lot of Huda Beauty eyeshadow palettes. I got this one when I subscribed for the whole year for IPSY Glam Bag. IPSY gave that to me. I got this in a Huda Beauty. They have mystery bags, so I received this in a mystery bag. I got this one from IPSY. It's like the brown ones. And I bought this one. This is so beautiful. It's like all hot pink colors. Tell me how cute this is. Like, first of all, hot pink's my favorite color, like pink in general. Look how pretty this palette is. Beautiful. So yeah, I wish I would have got a palette that I don't own, because Huda Beauty has tons of these palettes. But nevertheless, at least somebody else who probably doesn't have her palettes can get that now. So I will be giving that away. So had I not had that already, I would have loved that palette. That was my first palette that I ever bought from Huda Beauty. So it is a beautiful palette. I got a BDB Billion Dollar Brow Best Brow Tool Kit. It comes with a brush, tweezers, and some scissors. That's what the box looks like. So, I'm all about the brows. My brows is always on fleek, in case you guys didn't notice. That's like, I want to say, like my most prominent feature that people recognize me for. So we have some tweezers here. We have some scissors. And we have a brush with a spoolie. So very excited for these items. Because the brows gotta stay fleeky. I can't tell you the prices because they didn't give me a card for it. So what's this? This is from, what brand is this? Firma Beauty. You guys know I love brushes. I'm obsessed with brushes. I keep buying brushes. And I don't need any more brushes. But we got a blender brush from Firma. And we got, oh, 2 blending brushes. Wow. 2 blending brushes from Firma. Firma Beauty. I've never heard of Firma Beauty, but this is what they look like. So excited to use that because I love doing shadows. So that'll be nice. The next thing I got, I think this was my choice. The palette was actually something that they pick, like they curate what they want you to have, and then you get to pick as well. I chose a Glow Recipe Lip Pop, Nourishing and Smoothing. Is this like a lip balm? I knew it was something for the lip, but ooh. I love how this smells. It's like watermelon scent. So this is how it comes. I love Glow Recipe, that whole watermelon line. Look how beautiful, guys. Beautiful. Beautiful. It smells amazing. Amazing. Look at that color, guys. Yes. So definitely can't wait to use this. Okay. The next thing I got is a Anastasia Lash Brag Mascara. I actually today just tried my Fenty Beauty one. I got this in, who knows, whatever subscription box one of the more recent ones. I actually like this mascara. It's actually really, really good. Like, I like the brush on here. So, highly recommend it. And then I just got the Lash Brag Mascara from Anastasia, which is probably a volume. They look so, guys, look how similar they look, the packaging. Somebody copied somebody. I'm just saying, somebody was copying. This looks kind of very, very similar. Just saying, from far, you wouldn't even know the difference. Which one is which? All right, you guys ready? Guess. Which one is which? Which one is which? Which one is which? Which? Exactly my point. You guys didn't know. You guys didn't know. But yes, that was everything that I got. There was nothing else in here. Let's double check. Sometimes it's like a brush. Yep, that's it. It's empty. I did like this. I loved getting the mascara. I love the palette, which I'm gonna give away because I already own it. I love the Glow Recipe Watermelon lip balm. I love the Billion Dollar Brows kit. So how many? I got 1, 2, 3, 4. Aren't you supposed to get 5 things with Glam Bag Plus? Let me check my phone to see if I got everything I was supposed to get. Let's do some investigating. If you have the IPSY app, it tells you like everything you're gonna get on there. So I'm always using the app. All right, so let's see. Oh, okay, so that is everything I'm supposed to get. So, and I did pick that glow recipe. I picked the brushes and I picked the mascara. And their choices for me was the brow kit and the Huda Beauty Obsessions palette in mauve. Alrighty, so I will give this bag a 10 out of 10. I never get to do 10 out of 10 dances, but when I do, I'm excited for it, guys, because this gets a
10 out of 10. 10 out of 10.
I'm excited. Everything was makeup. Makeup was, who would have thunk? Who would have thought a beauty subscription box would give you makeup and not all skincare? Who would have thunk? So I'm giving it a 10 out of 10 because it was all makeup and it was all cool things that I would use. So that's very rare I give 10 out of 10s, but when I do, I always got to do the 10 out of 10 dance because it's just, I mean, I don't dance often, but when I do, it's because I'm very happy because I got a good makeup subscription box. Woo! Alrighty, guys, so that is it. What did you guys get for IPSY Glam Bag Plus for this month? Let me know in the comments below. What did you think about my bag? I loved everything. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you're new to my channel, subscribe. I do lots of makeup subscription unboxings on my channel. So show your girl some love. Subscribe, like, comment, subscribe. Become a part of my tribe and give your girl some thumbs up. It really helps the